Using Autogen for writing Facebook ads. One of the most powerful use cases at the moment for an agentic framework such as Autogen or CrewAi is actually writing compelling copy, especially for short-term stuff. And I've tested using Autogen for writing Facebook ads, and for this I've used an Autogen agent builder GPT that I created, and then I leveraged Autogen Studio, and I will show you in a moment the whole process. Eventually, I like the results, and there are many optimizations that can be taken into account in order to make this even better. But I believe there is a lot of potential when combining great prompts with Autogen and just creating a ton of copy for testing different ads, how they will resonate with the audience. And it's not strictly for Facebook ads. You can obviously use it with TikTok ads, Google ads, whatever format that you would like, assuming that you provide good context and good examples for the agents to understand exactly what they need to build. So let's cover the first step, which was creating an agent for creating a GPT for creating agents, because I don't want to create the agents manually every time. So what I did, I went to GPT and basically used the wizard, the builder, in order to create an Autogen agent architect. So here's the description. It's called an Autogen agent architect. The description of this GPT is creates Autogen agents with names, descriptions, and detailed guidance. So basically, when we are using Autogen, and this is Autogen Studio, by the way, if you don't know how to install it, check out a video that I've uploaded approximately 2 weeks ago about how to use Autogen Studio. It's very easy, pip install, and you're good to go. And when you create agents in Autogen Studio, you need to provide the agent name, the agent description, which is a description that allows the group chat manager to understand which agent is responsible for which tasks, and the system message, which is basically the prompt for the agent, like guiding him exactly what are you expecting from him, and the models and skills, etc. So in this GPT, this GPT provides the name, the description, and the prompt for the agent. So these are the instructions that basically ChatGPT helped me to build. So this GPT named Autogen Agent Architect, specializing in creating Autogen agents based on user prompts. It generates an agent name, a short one-line description, and a detailed system message. The system message begins with "You are an agent" and includes concise instructions, do's and don'ts, and examples tailored to the agent's intended functions. This approach ensures a clever, relevant, and practical blueprint for the automated agent, addressing its operational scope and potential interactions. If a user prompt is vague, Autogen Agent Architect will ask for clarification to ensure accuracy in the agent creation. The tone is strictly professional, focusing on delivering clear and effective guidance without unnecessary embellishments. Okay, so this is how we constructed the GPT, and now let me show you how it performed. So this is a conversation that I had with the GPT architect, hoping it will work. Yes, no, seem to, okay. Yes, so here, instead of writing like the whole prompt for the agent, here with the description and the name, the system message, I created this GPT, which kind of accelerates the process and gives more comprehensive instructions instead of me. So what I did is I asked the Auto Agent Architect to create an agent for writing high quality ads copy. The ads are going to be in Facebook. I just need the content of the text. And it created the agent. So agent name Copycraft Pro, one line description, craft engaging and high conversion ad copy specifically tailored for Facebook advertising campaigns. And this is the system message that it created. You are an agent designed to write high quality ad copy for Facebook advertisements. Your primary task is to generate compelling, clear, and concise text content that resonates with the target audience, encouraging them to take specific actions such as making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or visiting a website. Your copy should adhere to Facebook advertising guidelines, including character limits and content restrictions. Now, it elaborated about the do's, understand the audience, focus on the benefits, include the CTA, use persuasive language, and optimize for engagement, and don'ts, avoid violating guidelines, steer clear of jargon, don't overpromise, and limit text in images. And here are some examples. And this is great because when we create a prompt for the LLM, the more details and context that we share with it, we are going to get better results. And examples, providing examples is something that is very powerful and is very helpful because when we give examples as reference, we can expect better results. So here are different examples based on different products that we can sell. So product promotion ad, service advertisement, and even a promotion. So I love this, and what I wanted to create next is another layer of validation, which basically another agent which will criticize the output of Copycraft Pro. So ChatGPT immediately understood that I would like to create another agent. In this time it called it copy critique. The one-line description for the copy critique is evaluate and provide constructive criticism on ad copy generated by Copycraft Pro to enhance its effectiveness and compliance. Now the system message, you are an agent tasked with critically analyzing and providing feedback on ad copy produced by Copycraft Pro, focusing on improving the quality, engagement, and adherence to advertising standards. Do's, so provide specific feedback, highlight strengths and weaknesses, focus on compliance, encourage persuasiveness and clarity, promote engagement. Don't avoid being overly critical without providing solutions. Don't ignore the target audience. Don't compromise on the original message. So ensure that the suggested changes do not alter the fundamental message or value proposition of the ad. This is great. I wouldn't have came up with this on my own if I had to build the agent from scratch. And here are some examples. Now, the next step is I came to the agent section in Autogen Studio, and I created these agents, Copycraft Pro and Copy Critique. All I had to do is copy the agent name from here, copy the description, and copy the system message. So as you can see here, Copycraft Pro, the agent description, and the system message. Then I define that I want to use the GPT-4 model. So this is Copycraft Pro. Now Copy Critique, I did the same with the respective content from this conversation. Copy Critique, what it does, and the system message, chose the model, and go. And then what I had to do next is create a workflow, which is called Facebook Ads Copy. I decided about a workflow name, in this case, Facebook Ads Copy. You decide who is going to be in the group conversation. As you can see here, Copy Critique, Copycraft Pro, and User Proxy. The selection model is auto. So basically, instead of choosing who will, you have different method of selecting who is going to be the next speaker. It can be either random, so randomly move the conversation to a different agent, or round robin, so agents take in turn, or automated based on the description. So this makes more sense in my opinion in this instance. And then what I had to do, I went to the playground and I wrote this prompt. Now, I didn't write this prompt from scratch because what I basically did right now is I asked the Autogen agent architect to create the task for them. So now help me write a task for both agents. I want their help with writing a Facebook ads copy for a skincare product. And this is what it wrote. So task name, Radiant Skin and ad creation. Not relevant, I didn't copy this. It wrote the description, create a compelling Facebook ad copy for our new skincare product, Radiant Skin, which promises to hydrate, rejuvenate, and brighten the skin with its natural dermatologically tested ingredients. Key points to include: highlight the natural ingredients and their benefits for the skin, emphasize the dermatologically tested and safe for all skin types, create a sense of urgency, ensure the tone is positive, inclusive, etc., include a call to action. And then it wrote the task specifically for the copy critique guardian, which I didn't copy because I just copied the task in general. So create a compelling Facebook ad for a new skincare product. And now both agents started working. Over here we have the final result, but I want to share with you the whole conversation. So let's make this larger. Create a compelling, okay, we cover this. So this is Copycraft Pro. This is the ad. Discover the secret to luminous skin with Radiant Skin. Are you ready to elevate your skincare game? Say hello to the hydration, rejuvenation, and radiant glow with Radiant Skin. Why Radiant Skin? It covers like the unique formula that we have. It covers the benefit, or maybe the feature that we have. All the products are tested and loved by all skin types. It covers the fact that we have natural ingredients. It adds urgency with limited time offer. And then it has a call to action, shop now, and has some hashtags. Now the copy critique is providing criticism, which is where the agentic framework shines, because basically we could have done this in GPT and move on very fast, but we want the agentic framework to assist us with also providing criticism and iterating based on the criticism. So the ad copy for Radiant Skin is well crafted and includes many strong elements. Here's a breakdown of the strengths and areas for improvement. So the strengths are: the use of emojis and formatting helps to make the ad visually appealing and easy to read. I disagree, but whatever. The language is positive and inclusive, which is likely to resonate with the broad audience. The ad copy highlights the natural ingredients and their benefits, which aligns with the key points to include. The mention of a limited time offer creates a sense of urgency. The call to action is clear. Now, areas for improvement. While the ad mentions that the product is dermatologically tested and loved by all skins, it could benefit from a stronger emphasis on safety and suitability for sensitive skin to reassure potential customers. The ad could also include a more direct benefit statement that differentiates us from the competitors. For example, mentioning a specific result or time frame in which user can expect to see improvements. To enhance trust, consider adding a brief testimonial or a statistic about the customer satisfaction if available. And ensure the special offer mentioned is compliant with Facebook policies regarding the promotional content. And make sure the terms of the offer are clear. Now it offered a revised suggestion, and you can see it took into considerations all the areas for improvement. It sent it back to Copycraft Pro. We said, thank you for the feedback. Based on your critique, here's a refined version of the ad copy. And you can see here all the adjustments that it has done to the copy. Now, Copy Critique again said that he liked the ad and discusses the strengths of the ad, but now he added more enhancements. While the ad copy is more focused on safety and suitability, it could still benefit from a unique value proposition. that sets our product apart from competitors. Next, including social proof such as customer testimonial or a compelling statistic could further build trust and persuade potential customers. The call to action could be even more urgent by specifying the time limit and ensure the ad copy is fully compliant, kind of similar to what it said before. But now you can see the copycraft agent did more iterations and improved this. Then copy critique offer more advice. Then copycraft adjusted and optimized based on the advice. And we basically got the final result. So copy critique said the final polished version of the ad copy for AIAgents Skin is well constructed, engaging, and addresses the previous suggestions effectively. Here's a summary. I don't care about the summary. Let's move on. Compliance confirmation, like suggestion for the next step. The ad copy makes clear and clear claims, avoiding any language that could be interpreted as making guarantees of curing or treating health conditions, which aligns with Facebook advertising policies. This is great. I've been promoting a skincare product, and there are a lot of nuances regarding how you can promote skincare products and how you can make claims and guarantees. And it's great that the agentic framework, in this case, the copy critique, is aware of these nuances and suggests or offers us to take a look about Facebook guidelines to make sure that we're compliant. Another thing to keep in mind is the ad avoids making unrealistic promises and instead relies on data from consumer perception studies, which should be verifiable and truthful. And the ad maintains a positive tone and does not discriminate or alienate any group adhering to Facebook requirements for inclusivity. So then the copycraft thanked the copy critique, and basically we have the final copy over here, and we have a few things that we need to make sure over here. And here is like the final output, which isn't so relevant in this case. We can just copy directly from the conversation. But I'm pretty happy about what we have accomplished today, because I really like the fact that mostly what the critique did, because it offered constructive feedback and it also mentioned a few things that I wouldn't have thought on my own. So I believe that with slightly better prompts, making the prompts maybe asking for removal of emojis or making the copy even shorter, I believe that this could be a great tool for generating great Facebook ads. Obviously, the addition of the Autogen Agent Architect is also very beneficial, and I'm going to use it probably very often because it just streamlines the process of building agents, which kind of reminds me of the fact that we also have like the native Autogen automated builder. This is a solution provided by the Autogen team that allows you to build agents based on like a task. So you provide a task and then the Autogen framework basically builds the relevant agents for the task. But I like this level of control. I still don't feel that the Autogen automated agent builder can streamline the whole process and output great copy in this instance. So I like the fact that I have a lot of control of the process, and I don't mind breaking it down to 2 steps. So first step is creating agents with the Autogen Agent Architect, ChatGPT. And the next step is just creating the copy using Autogen Studio. I think this allows me more control over the prompts and over the whole process. And once I fine-tune the whole process, I can then use an RPA tool, for example, Microsoft Power Automate, to create this at scale. And this is like the goal, creating controllable and predictable, somewhat predictable processes for building real business and marketing use cases. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Obviously, if you have advice or feedback for improvement, feedback about the pace of the video, was there any content of the videos that was redundant? Would you like me to dive deeper into specific concepts from the video? Would you like any clarifications? Any feedback would be highly appreciated. And obviously I analyze the data and I take a look at the numbers of likes to video views ratio, and based on this I iterate and I try to drive conclusions regarding the next videos that I should create, stuff like this. So please feel free to share feedback. That's it for today, guys. Stay tuned for more videos about leveraging Autogen Studio and this agent builder. And until next time, keep on automating.